How to fix not registered on network issue on your phone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whenever you're trying to call and you get the error code not registered on network issue, here are some of the possible fixes. First and foremost, you need to restart your phone. For this, it can resolve the minor network issue and the issue should be fixed. However, if it does not, here are the further solution. For this, first of all, go to your settings and then you have to find connections, or in some devices it might be written as network and internet. Once you tap on it, select on mobile networks and SIM. Once that is done, you have to find in data roaming and enable it. This helps the connectivity issues, especially if you are using phone in a different location. Another thing you need to do is choose for the network mode. There are options like LTE, 3G, 2G or Auto Connect to allow your phone connect to available networks. Go to the access point's name and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Reset to default. Also make sure that your network operator is selected as Choose Automatically. Once all of these changes are done, restart your phone once more and try making a call. This way, your issue should be resolved. However, if the problem persists, it could be an issue or the network issue in your area or the problem with your SIM card. So for this, you have to contact your service provider. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.